Hi, Coach June Acevedo. I just want to thank you for your NLP program. It really changed my life. Before joining this program, I struggled a lot. I struggled in my self-confidence, afraid of na humarap sa mga tao. I'm afraid sa mga job interviews. I'm afraid mag-present sa client. I have lots of baggages. I always hold things back. And I always doubt myself. Hindi ko rin makita yung self-worth ko. But after this program, everything was shifted. Tinuruan kami to release yung mga negative emotions, i-break yung limiting beliefs namin. Binigyan mo kami ng tools that it really helps in our career, but also in our personal life. As a result, I feel better, I feel in control, I feel lighter, I have a good night's sleep, and I feel more beautiful in terms of career sa mga job interviews. Siguro before, kung out of 10 na job interviews, wala akong naipasa. Isa o baka wala pa. Pero ngayon, almost lahat naka-crush ko na sila without over-promising sa client, but being myself and be confident, just be honest, and halimbawa sa job interview, kung may mga skills sila talagang wala akong naging experience in the past, I just be honest, but I'm confident na I can deliver it. If I can deliver talaga, just be honest to the client. And also, I'm ready now to present, magkaroon ng launch ng offer presentation sa client. Kung may mga stress, mas madali na siya na-overcome, mas madali na siyang na-manage. So, thank you so much for this program, and I hope na marami ka pa pong matulungan na individuals. And these programs really help me in every aspects of my life, in my career, in my social life, sa relationships, sa pakikisama, sa relationships ko sa aking mga anak, sa mga friends. I also learn na to be in control, to take action, and to focus talaga on what I want dun sa aking goals. And as a result din pa rin na may mga goals na talaga na nag-goal setting tayo na marami na akong na-check na mga goals. Thank you so much again, and God bless you more.